Today we are discussing exercise 4.2, question number 1. The question is, find the roots of the following quadratic equation by factorization method. Third part, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. By factorization method, we want to find the roots of the quadratic equation. The first step is identify A, B and C. So A is the coefficient of S square. Here is root 2. B is coefficient of X. Coefficient of X is 7. And C is constant. Constant is 5 root 2. Now first multiply A and C. So A into C, which is equal to root 2 into 5 root 2. So which you can write 5 into root 2 square. So root 2 square and cancel. So we can write 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. And B is 7. Then 10 we can write 10 into 1 or 5 into 2. From here we want to choose any one of the pair such that after adding 7 or after subtracting 7. So we can check it. First 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Here is not 11. Next 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 is 9. So here is not 9. The next 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore we can choose 5 and 2. So that means 5 plus 2 is 7. Therefore we can choose the number is 5 and 2. Now using 5 and 2, split the middle term. So first root 2 x square we can write root 2 x square, and 7x using this number 5 and 2 you can write plus 5x and plus 2x plus 5 root 2, which is equal to 0. Now make the pair, the first pair and the second one. Now here is root 2 x square. X square means x into x and 5x means 5 into x. So we can take first x is the common and the remaining is root 2 x plus 5. Then should be second also you will get root 2 x plus 5. Then check what you will take the common. 2 means root 2 into root 2 and 5 into root 2. So here we can take root 2, we can take the common plus root 2. Now check root 2 into root 2x is 2x and root 2 into 5 is 5 root. From here root 2x plus 5 and from here root 2x plus 5 we can take the common root 2x plus 5. Now what is the remaining? Here is the remaining is x and here is the remaining is plus root 2, which is equal to 0. Now so we can write root 2 x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. Now plus first here is change the side plus 5. So we can write root 2 x is equal to plus 5. After changing the side is minus 5 and or here is plus root 2 after changing minus root 2. And here is x is equal to minus 5 plus root 2 after changing divide root 2. So this is the one root and the second root is x is equal to minus root 2. Fourth part 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0. Here is the constant term is 1 by 8. It is fraction form. So this is I am just changing in integer form. So for that one, first I am multiplying 8 on both sides. That means first 8 into 2x square minus x plus 1 by 8 is equal to 0 into 8. 8 multiplying on both sides, which implies 8 into 2x square is 16x square. 8 into minus x is minus 8x. 8 into 1 by 8 8 into 1 by 18. So 8 cancel. So remaining is 1. So plus 1 which is equal to 0. 0 into 80 is 0. So and the all term is integer. Then the first step is identify A, B and C. So A is the coefficient of a square which is equal to 16. B is coefficient of x is minus 8 and C is constant is 1. Now first multiply A and C. So A into C which is equal to 16 into 1 which is equal to 16 and B is minus 8. Now 16 we can write in 16 into 1, 8 into 2, 4 into 4. Now here we choose any one of the pairs such that after adding we want to get minus 8. So first one is 16 plus 1. 16 plus 1 is 17. So here is not a 17. 16 minus 1. 16 minus 1 is 15. Now here is 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. But here is minus 8. Therefore we can choose 4 plus 4 is 8. But here is minus 8. Therefore we can choose minus 4 minus 4 which is equal to minus 8. Therefore the number we can choose minus 4 and minus 4. Using this number split the middle term. So which implies 16x square and minus 8x is minus 4x and minus 4x plus 1 which is equal to 0, which implies 16x square means 4 into x into x and minus 4x minus 4 into x. So we can take 4x, we can take the common and here is the remaining is 4x and here is the remaining is minus 1. Check 4x into 4x is 16x square. 4x into minus 1 is minus 4x. And the second pair should be, you will get the bracket 4x minus 1. Now here is minus 4x plus 1. So here is minus 4, here is plus 4 and here is plus 1, here is minus 1. Change the sign, therefore we can take the common is minus 1. So minus 1 into 4x is minus 4x. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. So the next step is, from here we can take 4x minus 1. From here also we can take 4x minus 1 is common. So 4x minus 1. Now the remaining is, from here is 4x and here is the remaining is minus 1 which is equal to 0. Now product of two number is 0 which means any one is 0. Therefore we can write 4x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 4x minus 1 is equal to 0. It implies first change the minus 1. So 4x is equal to 1 or here also 4x is equal to 1. Now change the multiplication. Some multiplication after changing divided. Therefore x is equal to 1 by 4 or x is equal to, here also we will get x is equal to 1 by 4. So this is the root of the given quadratic equation. X is equal to 1 by 4 or x is equal to 1 by 4.